Welcome back. We will now create two buckets based on the domain name that we have purchased. So first, what we'll do is we'll click Create Bucket. So we're going to make sure the bucket name is the exact same name as the domain, and we're then going to click Next. We're then going to Log Requests, and then click Next. We're then going to create another bucket with www in front of the domain. What we're now going to need to do is to give our buckets public read access. So in order to do that, we're going to go inside of our domain. We're then going to click Permissions. And what we're going to do is we're going to add our bucket policy. We're going to paste in that bucket policy. And remember, we're going to change the bucket name to reflect the bucket name that we are working in. Once we do that, we're then going to click Save. And our domain is now ready for upload. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.